In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a footer in Elementor. If you open your website and see a footer, it is most likely coming from your theme, and you cannot edit it directly inside Elementor. To edit or create a custom footer, you need to use a free plugin that allows you to design one in Elementor itself. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover your mouse over Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add Plugin. On the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you will see a search bar. Type header and footer in this box. From the results, find the plugin Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, which was previously called the Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click Install Now, and once the installation completes, click Activate. After activation, go to your plugin list and find this plugin. Click on Settings, and you will be directed to its dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, click Header and Footer. From here, click on Add New. Now type in a name for your footer and then click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, click the plus icon, choose Flexbox, and select a layout with 6 containers. This will give you flexibility in designing your footer. Begin with the first container. Reduce its size because this is where you will add your logo. Click the plus icon inside the container, search for Logo on the left-hand side, and drag the Site Logo block provided by the plugin into the container. Your logo will appear and you can resize it, adjust alignment, or modify its width. Next, switch to the third container. Reduce its size and position it at the corner. Click the plus icon inside the container and then search for social icons on the left menu. Drag and drop them into the container. You can configure settings like alignment, size, and link your social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Now go to the second container in the middle. Add a text editor block from the left-hand side, and inside it, type in information such as your phone number, address, or opening hours. Customize its alignment, font, or color to fit your site design. From the 3 remaining containers, delete 2 of them and stretch the last one to cover the entire width. In this final container, add a heading block, type something like All Rights Reserved, and set its alignment and font size. You can also change its color to white and style the background of the container to a different color so it looks clean and professional. Once you finish, click Publish at the top right corner of the screen. Return to the plugin section where your new footer is listed. Click on it and in the Type of Template drop-down, choose Footer. In the Display On drop-down, select Entire Website, then click Update. Finally, go back to your website and refresh the page. You will now see your custom footer displayed across the site. At any time, you can return to the plugin section, click Edit with Elementor, and make further changes to your footer. That is how you can create and edit a footer in Elementor.